Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green in the Capcut PC. Here, you just need to add the main videos that you want to input into the Capcut PC like this. Then add the green screen as overlay. So here I'm going to just use one from Capcut library. Find it on the stock materials and on the green screen category. For example, here I'm going to put this video into this green screen, the iPad green screen. Let's just download first, and then on a plus icon, I'll just drag it into to the timeline. Then here I'm going to change the ratio to match with the green screen like this. Then I'm going to trim or the size like this. Now you can just click on the green screen video and then find the remove background, enable the chroma key, and choose the color picker. Okay, just drag it like this. You can adjust the intensity and also the shadow. So this will be the result. You can always adjust the main clip to match with the green screen size. So this is the final result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.